When it comes to repair or replace, there are a lot of options.
A question I often get is, should I keep my unit or should I replace it? Should I go ahead and do this minor repair or should I buy a new system? That all depends on what the customer is expecting to happen. We can have a $400 to $1,000 repair that will keep the customer going for another year or two, but what's going to happen after that? It all goes into what the customer can afford at that moment. My recommendation usually is after 10 years, start telling the customer, look, you need to start planning on replacing the system.
The repair versus replace is, hey, there's a few things to consider. How old is the equipment? How long are you going to live at that address or own that property? And particularly, who's paying the utility bill? The third thing is going to be, hey, if it does need a repair, what's the expense of the repair? What level do you want to say, hey, I'm not going to invest that anymore into this piece of equipment? So if it's over 10 years or right around that, if you're going to be at the house for more than or less than about 5 years, third one's going to be is what's the cost of repair? At Comfort Temp Heating and Air, we have a knowledgeable, dedicated team to help you determine which option is best for you.